Okay, question 3, encircle P and central angle, a central angle, angle OPR, and an inscribed angle, angle OQR, intercept arc OR. If the measure of angle OQR is equal to 4x plus 7, and the measure of angle OPR is equal to 6x plus 28, what is the measure of angle OQR? Okay, so we have a central angle right here as OPR. That is equal to 6x plus 28. And we have the angle OQR. Notice that they still have the same ending points. So they are intercepting this same arc OR. So since it's intercepting the same arc, we have a relationship. So this is for x plus 7. So I'm just drawing that in so I could visually see it. So a central angle is going to equal twice the inscribed angle for having the same intercepted arc. That's the context of it. So our central angle is 6x plus 28, 2 times the inscribed angle. Since the inscribed angle is OQR and it has more than one number or term, I'm going to write it in parentheses. So there's 4x, which is one term, plus 7, which is called another term. So since there was more than one of those, I put it in parentheses. Again, if you didn't watch the previous one, I am just going to use an algebra calculator. It's simpler than typing everything out because it shows you the steps exactly. So 6x plus 28 is equal to 2 times 4x plus 7. Go. And it does tell us the steps. It says to expand it, so it multiplied this 2 times 4x plus 7 creates 2 times 4 is 8x, 2 times 7 is 14. So then this statement becomes this statement right here, from there to there, and then it tells you the steps. Subtract 28 from both sides, simplify. So they did 14 minus 28 gives us negative 14, and 28 minus 28 is 0. That's why it's not on this side. And then subtract 8x from both sides. So then 6x minus 8x is negative 2x. 8x minus 8x, since it's a like term, is 0, and we still have minus 14. And then divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is a 1, which is implied right there. Negative 14 divided by negative 2 is a 7. So x is equal to 7. So now, some of you are thinking, well, that's not part of it. Well, that's because that's not what it asked us to solve for. It asked us to find what the angle of OQR is. We know OQR is equal to 4x plus 7. So wherever the x is, this is 4 times x, so 4 times 7 now, because x is 7. 4 times 7 plus 7. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 7 is going to be 35. So we have 35 degrees.